Have you ever had a Reese's Crunchie? I haven't. This is a full-size Reese's Crunchie with 4 Reese's Crunchie big cups. It looks pretty good, but I don't know how it's gonna taste, so let's find out. That looks pretty good. The smell that came out of the package right when I opened it was just amazing. It has lots of crunch. It's really good. The serving size is 2, so I'm eating 2 more next time. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest. Also, watch all of my other Reese's videos because there's so many. Bye!